Hi, welcome to chemistry. This is Mrs. Soares. Today we're going to discuss solutions. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to distinguish between a solute and a solvent and determine the type of solute-solvent combination that makes up a solution. Solutions are made up of two parts, a solute and a solvent. A solute is a substance that is being dissolved. It's the smallest part of the solution. A solvent is the dissolving medium. It's the substance that is doing the dissolving. It's the largest part of the solution. In a solution, the dissolved solute particles are so small that they cannot be seen. An example of this is salt water. Let's observe how salt dissolves in water.
Sodium chloride crystals are held together by attractive forces between the positively charged sodium and negatively charged chloride ions. When a crystal of sodium chloride is placed into water, the hydrogen ends of polar water molecules attract the negatively charged chloride ions and gradually surround them. Likewise, the oxygen ends molecules are attracted to and surround the positively charged sodium ions. The hydrated ions drift away into the solution, allowing new water molecules to surround newly exposed ions. Gradually, the entire crystal dissociates into solution.
Dissociation means to break up into smaller parts, like ions. Solutions may exist as combinations of solids, liquids, or gases. In order for a solute to dissolve in a solvent, they must have similar polarities. That's where the term like dissolves like comes from. Polar substances dissolve in polar substances and vice versa. There are many types of solutions. One type is a solid dissolving in a liquid, like the salt water we observed earlier. The solute-solvent combination is solid-liquid. In these combinations, the liquid solvent is almost always water. In air, oxygen mixes uniformly with nitrogen. Oxygen is the solute because it is the smallest part at 21% of the air, and nitrogen is the solvent at 78%. This is known as a gas-gas solution. The third type of solution that I'm showing you is a solid-solid, and we call this an alloy. Alloys, such as brass, which are made up from zinc and copper, are solid solutions in which two or more atoms are uniformly mixed. There are many different types of solutions that can be discovered just by observing substances around you. Remember, a solute is the smallest part of the solution, and the solvent is the largest part. Hooray! We're finished with this lesson, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today about solutions. See you in class.